Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make quail egg fry, also known as Kaadai Muttai fry. Add the quail eggs in a pan along with the required water. Bring to boil in medium flame. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame and cool down. Once cooled down, just remove the shell from eggs. Quail eggs shell are very soft when compared to chicken eggs, so handle smoothly. Just make gashes on both sides of eggs. In another pan, add half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, required salt, and mix it with few drops of water. Now add eggs in this masala and mix it all together. Add 2 teaspoon of oil in a pan and heat. Once oil hot, add the eggs and stir it. Wipe the excess masala with few drops of water from the pan and add into the eggs. Fry this for a couple of minutes. Then add 1 leaf left curry leaves with the eggs and fry it. Now the tasty quail egg fry bite is ready to serve. Please subscribe our Footprint channel. Thank you.